Half a day everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your engine. Okay, first step to clean your engine, first you're going to want to cover your car battery and your alternator. You don't want to get those things wet. Okay, after you get those things covered, go and start washing your engine. Okay, after you're done letting your engine dry from the water, go and grab your white lining. We sell this product from our store. It's good to make your engine look glossy and new. Okay, you're also going to want to grab these brushes and a microfiber towel just to scrub it to the places you cannot reach. And you're going to just start misting all the white lining all over the engine and let it just sit for a bit. After that, just go and start wiping down. After you're done dressing your engine, the next step is just to grab your waterless wash. We also sell this product in our shop if you're looking to buy. For this product, it's good to wash off any dirt that's on the top of the hood. live on Guam and you're looking to get this type of service done, give us a call to make an appointment and we'll make it happen.